morning, guys. Breakfast time. Claudia already got hers.
Yes.
And we're just getting ready, eating some breakfast. And then, as you can see, we already packed our stuff. Claudia's bag is down here. And then we're going to
Palm Springs.
Woo! So, no Coachella, but Palm Springs. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. Claudia's editing a little video over there. And when we're done, I think around about 10 a.m., we'll go on the road.
Yes.
Perfect. So, see you guys in the car. Thank you.
Woohoo!
So, time to go. Woo! What is up, guys? So, we left San Diego around about 30-40 minutes ago.
Yes.
And we're on the way to Palm Springs. We didn't choose the straight line that Google told us. We are making a little bit of a turn right and then up. I really have no idea where we're going, but it did look like we were driving through the mountains.
Yes.
And yeah, we will see. It's super hot. We have 91 Fahrenheit. That is around about 32 degrees or something like that. There's no wind, nothing. Outside it's starting to look like in the desert, but it's super cool for us because we are used to have everything green and everything. Yeah, and here it's looking a little bit in the desert, slowly. And yeah, we have 6-7 miles more to drive, and then we will be in Palm Springs.
Yes.
Yes. So Claudia will throw you into some b-roll of the landscape, and I try to not kill us. So,
thank you.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
The sun rises behind her eyes, but she still can't see it. When she's beside me, I walk slowly. Feeds my soul all the gold I could need.
So we just stopped here in the middle of nowhere with our beautiful car. Focus on. And Claudia is walking there in front. Watch for the snakes!
Yeah.
And the idea was to go up there.
Yeah.
And let Liz, little baby, take a little round. And just enjoy the landscape here, because we're not used to those looks and to that. And it looks pretty dope here.
Yeah.
It's so special for us. So we just take a little walk and try to get up the mountain without to die.
In the wilderness.
In the wilderness. Wilderness! We need something to drink.
This whole time I've been searching for the wrong thing. She's my captain, she's the sea, she's the sun
Verstehst du so?
on my back.
Ja.
Claudia's complaining. That rock isn't looking so stable.
Sun on
Hast
my
du wirklich
back.
geguckt?
Yeah, one. This will be good. You can stay down if you want and film my heroic. You staying down or are you coming with up?
No.
You staying here?
Yeah.
Okay, then I give you the camera.
Yes.
Okay, good.
She's the kind you only find in a story. I've never had anybody fight for me. She's my captain, she's the sea, she's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea, she's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. Believe me. Believe me.
So guys, it's so crazy that like this landscape is so minimal when you compare it to Switzerland, because here it's everything dusty and sandy, and in Switzerland everything's green. But it's so fascinating how different landscapes can attract you when you're just here, because we absolutely love it here. It's so awesome. The colors are awesome. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So let's go back to the car. Maybe I'm looking for a rock to pee. And then let's have a look where we stop next.
Yes.
She's the sea, she's the sun on my back, baby. Believe me.
Well guys, so we reached our hotel in Palm Springs. It's absolutely hot, but that's okay. And we already can see all the grasshoppers. Oh, it's a little bit bright. Can you see them? Everywhere, dead grasshoppers. So crazy. Claudia getting attacked? Let's go to the pool, guys. So, we just relaxed, then we enjoyed our AC, and now we're going for a classic Palm Springs picture. Claudia is wearing a beautiful dress. Oh, she's looking so handsome.
Handsome, guys.
No, we're equal. I can say whatever I want. No, we're going for a classic picture, and after that, Cheesecake Factory. I want a salad after all the heavy stuff in the last days.
Salad.
So I give you the camera, then I can open the car. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah.
The heat in here will be beautiful.
Not in my house or in the driveway. I'm halfway out of town with the wind.
Look at the sun. Golden hour. How could it be better? So. I just can't believe how beautiful the light is here. I just have to turn the camera that way and I have the most perfect epic light ever. I don't have to do anything. I just take the camera, point it at Claudia, and it's super beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Just epic.